Hello, my dear students. Here is the next lesson of class plus one birth, and this lesson is from Snapshot book. As two books are there, Hornbill and Snapshot. So now we are going to start Snapshot book. This lesson birth, actually this is an extract from the novel The Citadel, and The Citadel, the novel is written by A.J. Cronin. If we will talk about A.J. Cronin, he was one of the most renowned storyteller of 20th century. His best known works are The Citadel and The Keys of the Kingdom. And if we will talk about this chapter tells how a young doctor revives a child that is born lifeless. So here is an overview of the lesson. You will see 6 characters over there. Andrew, he is the protagonist of this chapter. Mr. and Mrs. Joe Morgan, middle-aged couple. Midwife, Mrs. Joe Morgan's mother, and Christine, girlfriend of Andrew. I have drafted some notes of Andrew and Mr. and Mrs. Joe Morgan. So Andrew, he's the main character of the story and recently passed out his medical degree. And you will see him, he's entangled in his personal problems, fine? And he's in this dilemma whether he should go for the marriage plan or not. He knows the difference between his personal and professional life. He's mature and wise enough. He is dutiful, honest, and true for his profession. Mr. and Mrs. Joe Morgan, they are middle-aged couple and expecting first child after 20 years of marriage. And naturally, they are surrounded with anxiety and apprehension as this is a first child after their 20 years married life. And they have shown full trust in doctor. So here's a summary of the lesson. Here, the lesson starts with Andrew. He has just begun his medical practice and he's upset as he has had some argues with his girlfriend. So when he comes back, he finds Joe Morgan waiting for him anxiously. He's there to take him to his house to tend on his wife. He has been married for 20 years. Like Joe Morgan, he has been married for 20 years. So Andrew was a bit upset as we have already discussed, like he had some argues with his girlfriend, so he was a bit upset. So anyhow, both of them, they reach Joe Morgan's house, and Mrs. Joe Morgan, she is in small bedroom upstairs, and with her mother and midwife. Her mother, she's of nearly 70 years, and midwife, both are waiting. The old woman is wise in experience as she realizes that the delivery will take some time and the doctor may not wait. So that's why she offered tea so that Andrew consume some time and he can be there only. But Andrew assures her that he is not going to run away and he goes downstairs to take tea in the kitchen. And he decided to stay until everything is over. So during that time, he was completely lost in his own thoughts. He was in dilemma whether he has to go for the marriage plan or not, because the things are haunting him. Like the persons are haunting him who are not happy with their married life. Fine. So during this time, finally, he was called by the midwife because the means delivery time is near, and he was called inside. And after an hour passes, after the long struggle, child is born, but unfortunately it is stillborn. It is lifeless. And Andrew is in dilemma now whether to save the mother or the child because both are in critical conditions. So instinctively, first of all, he gives an injection to Susan, Mrs. Joy Morgan, and turns around to handle the baby. The child is perfectly formed but white and seems boneless. It is because the lack of oxygen. He asks the nurse to bring hot water and cold water. He puts the child on a blanket and he starts his own treatment. That is, this treatment is not written in any book. Actually, he we can see the presence of mind actually. Fine. So if we will talk about the learning phase, my dear, learning phase actually when it starts, when we do it practically, when we implement the things. इन वेरी सिंपल वे, एक बहुत सिंपल सा एग्जांपल है, इफ वी वांट टू रीच लुधियाना, अगर हमने लुधियाना पहुंचना है सपोज, एंड वी आर आस्किंग द वे, देयर इज अ डिफरेंस इन आस्किंग द वे एंड प्रोसीडिंग द वे। हमें उतनी देर तक उस रास्ते के जो प्रॉब्लम्स है वो पता नहीं लगेगी जब तक हम उस रास्ते पे चलते नहीं हैं। फाइन। सो सेम, डिग्रीज को अर्न करना, पूछना मीन्स नॉलेज गेन करना, और उसको देन इम्प्लीमेंट करना, ही इज अ डिफरेंस। Fine. And he recently passed out his medical degree. He means didn't have any practical experience. Fine. But anyhow, he just managed. He has managed this problem. He tackles this problem. And here he used his presence of mind, and he commands nurse to bring hot water and cold water. He puts the child on a blanket once, and he dips the child in icy water and in lukewarm water by turn। मीन्स उसने क्या किया, दो टब मंगवाए, एक में ठंडा पानी और एक में गर्म। तो उसने उस बच्चे का ऑक्सीजन लेवल मीन्स ऑक्सीजन सर्कल चलाने के लिए उसको क्या किया, एक बार में ठंडे पानी में उस बच्चे को डिप किया, फिर गुनगुने पानी में, ठंडे में गुनगुने में, ठंडे पानी में गुनगुने में। तो इस तरह से वो उसने अपना ट्रीटमेंट शुरू किया। एंड ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम midwife, it is naturally, midwife, she is completely like, means she is going to be outraged because Andrew, he's means doing the experiments on लाइफलेस चाइल्ड। उसको गुस्सा आ रहा था कि मरे हुए बच्चे को भी नहीं छोड़ रहा, उस पर भी अपने एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहा है। फाइन। But Andrews goes on with his treatment, and he puts pressure on his little chest, and thereafter, after giving the dip in icy water and lukewarm water, he just puts the pressure on his little chest and trying to get some oxygen in it. And then, as if by a miracle, the baby's chest begins to rise and fall. Means the baby starts breathing, and some mucus come from one of his nostril, as like we read it, it was a lack of the oxygen and something stuck in his nose. So with this like a treatment, by putting the pressure on his chest, mucus, that's liquid form, fine, that comes out of his nostril, and the baby is able to breathe. The baby starts breathing, and with the breathing, the blood circulation starts, and the white skin slowly turns pink. And then comes the child's cry. The child has come alive. See, वो बच्चा जिसको लाइफलेस डिक्लेयर कर दिया था, शायद एंड्रयू भी गिव अप करके उस बच्चे को वहीं पे छोड़ देता, बट he didn't give up. He put his honest effort, and he gets success also in his honest efforts. We can see his honest efforts are not unrewarded. He's rewarded, fine, with the child's cry. So after this, he is feeling weak and confused, pulls on his jacket and goes downstairs. So Andrew assures Joe Morgan, as Joe Morgan is waiting outside, he assures Joe Morgan that both the mother and baby are all right. And he's happy with his achievement because he has done something, you know. He thanks God for having done something real at last. So this is all about the lesson. Hope you all have understood